Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. The recent Bitcoin move looks like calculated strength masked by temporary turbulence. Price is reacting within a predefined range, showing bullish continuation patterns before reaching our short-term goal of 86,000. My anticipated fifth lower high, the one marked in yellow, acted as a springboard rather than resistance. That structure allowed us to pivot upward, respecting the textbook anatomy of a bullish cup, setting the stage for a push into the 85,000 range. Checking the 3-day liquidation heat map, it's clear that the zone between 85,900 and 87,000 lights up with dense liquidity. These heat map hotspots often act as magnets for price, where clusters of over-leveraged positions are waiting to be taken out. If momentum continues, Bitcoin could be drawn straight into that zone. Wave trend on the 4-hour chart confirms the bullish bias. Money flow is preparing to flip green, showing a gradual influx of capital into long positions. This aligns with the stair-step price structure, a classic sign of strong buyer dominance with healthy consolidation. Zooming out to the daily time frame, last Wednesday's doji marked a transition candle. Since then, 3 bullish follow-ups have printed, not in panic moves but with controlled momentum. The underlying trend shift is maturing, not peaking. Momentum indicators still have room to the upside. Volume is steady and not overheated, suggesting that this rally is not just driven by retail excitement, but is supported by structural strength across timeframes. Unless invalidated by a high-volume reversal candle or a breakdown under the previous support of around 83,000, the path toward our target remains intact. That is it for today's analysis. I will be back tomorrow with more details. If you want access to real-time entries, exits, and market structure breakdowns, join the free Discord. Like the video if you found it useful, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated on every key development. And see you in the next one.